Namaste. In this video, we will look at an issue with Tableau's understanding of values in a particular column and how can we rectify that. Okay, so I'll first come to sheet 1. Now I'm connected to the players data and I've related it to the teams data in the previous video. Now I have renamed this name column. Here the column name was just name and I've renamed it to short name. Okay, because I have a short name and I have a long name for that particular player. So it makes easier understanding. Now I'll bring the long name of the player. So I'll bring the long name here. I'll add all members and I'll bring the age of those players and I'll sort them in descending order by clicking here. And now I see that Danny Rose, the age is 87, Adama Traore, the age is 80, Diego Rodriguez 79. So now doesn't this sound awkward to you that players having such high ages? Well, there's an issue with this data and this issue is what we are trying to solve now. The issue is multiple players have the name of Danny Rose in the long name column. I'll bring the player ID because player ID is unique for each player. So I'll just drag this and drop this here. Now you see the name Danny Rose is shared by 3 players and these players have the unique IDs of these. So if I add all of these 3 up, I'll get the sum of ages 87. Okay, so this is what Tableau was doing behind the scenes. It was summing all the values of Danny Rose up and giving me just one record of 87. Similarly, Adama Traore, if I sum them up, the sum of ages 80, which is what we saw as well, right? So how do we solve this? Well, first of all, we know that the player ID is unique for each player. So if I only work with the player ID, I'll get the proper result back, right? You see I have 18,979 records, which is the number of records in my data, and this indicates that I have one record for each particular player now. So if I just press Ctrl Z, I have the long name back, and if I drag player ID out now, I won't have 18,979 because there is repetitions in the name. So I only have 18,852 records. Okay, so this is a quick check of duplicate data, duplicate names in a particular column, not exactly duplicate data, but different people sharing the same name. Okay, so how do we solve this? First of all, we know that the player ID is unique and we can combine that with the name of that particular player. For example, I'll create a calculated field and I'll say the name as player name. Now what I'll do is I'll say the short name, I'll just use the short name for now, and I'll give a space and I'll add it with the player ID column. Okay, so this is the calculated field. Now I drag this player name here, and now we won't have that issue anymore because each combination of name and player ID, this is unique. And if I see here as well, I get 18,979 rows by one column, which is validating my theory that each row is unique now. Okay, and now I can see that K Miura has the highest age of 53, and I cannot mess with this result now because this is true, because K Miura, even if there are two K Miuras in my data, they both won't have the same player ID and they will have different records in the data set. Okay, so this is how we can solve the issue of multiple people sharing the same name or the same value in any particular column. Now what I'll do is I'll, instead of having just one space between them, to make it a little bit better looking, I'll just add a opening and closing rounded brackets. Okay, so this just makes for better visuals and nothing else. You see K Miura bracket the ID number. Okay, now one more way to do this is by simply for example, if I click on the short name and I can click on the player ID now, and I can just press the drop down menu on any of those columns and I can create a combined field. So once I do that, Tableau will automatically do the same thing for me. Okay, and instead of this player name, now if I bring the short name and player ID column, now I'm getting the same result back, but Tableau is just separating both of them by a single comma value, and we did it with the rounded brackets. Okay, so this is how. And of course you can combine multiple dimensions into one combined field. I can create a combined field in this way as well, but it wouldn't make sense in this case.